Well, I've been putting together this propane forge, just on and off, getting some pieces here and there. So finally went through the basement and found the old bed frame down there. So I'm gonna try to take it apart and repurpose that angle iron and the feet of the bed frame. See if I can't come up with a little bit of a support for the propane forge. Trying to decide how I'm going to put this together. I think I'm going to take this piece here, which is more, and then where it came out of, and see if I can do this while holding the camera up. I'm going to take this piece here and put it in this hole, just like that, and then I'm going to flux core weld that together. And I'll have my legs, and I'll do all 4 legs that way. So tried flux core welding, and it wouldn't weld. I don't know what I did wrong. I'm certain that I did something wrong, but it wouldn't strike. So I went to my portable stick welder and tried out one of them, and I have to say I am extraordinarily bad at welding. Okay, so I talked with my uncle, and apparently there's a trigger on the flux core welder, and you're supposed to pull the trigger so that it will weld. So, you know, with that being said, I'm going to try this again to redo the feet and attach the feet to these legs for the propane burn. Cutting the feet off of the legs, and now I'm going to grind up the welding surfaces, make sure they're good and clean, ready to go for welding. And then after that, we're going to try to weld again. So I'm finished cleaning up the welding areas, and now it's time to weld. Well, here it is. It's the legs are all jacked up, so I'm gonna have to take them off. I've already gotten one of them off. I'm gonna take the other 3 off and get them all uniform so it looks good. But other than that, it's coming right along. Just keep up with me, keep following this little series, and hopefully by the end of it we'll have us a nice propane forge. Appreciate it. Bye.